Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome and weird looking skin Big Mouth in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this strange looking character, and to begin we're going to start out with the mouth area. So we're going to draw in just two little bumps like this first, and this is going to be, I guess would be the gum for his teeth. And then from here, I'm going to draw one of his big teeth. So then after that one on the side right here, same thing, just a little bit smaller. And then now for the shape of the mouth, right here, just gonna draw a little curve coming down on both sides. So this is gonna be the corner of the mouth right here. And then before we can finish up the mouth shape, we're drawing his, he's got a really big tongue. So just come down the center right here, you make a little point. And then same thing here, just two big bumps. And then from the side here, we're gonna come down on both sides. And then we're gonna curve it this side. So come around. Just continue the curve, go all the way down, and then round it out for the tip of the tongue. And then one more detail on the center here. It's gonna draw a curve. Just follow the same curve as the overall shape of the tongue. Just go all the way down. Alright, I know it looks really strange. So now that we have the tongue here, we can finish up the rest of the mouth. So from the corner, now we're gonna come in. So we're gonna tuck it right underneath the tongue. Come out to the side here on the corner again. Make two little points, and then this is gonna be the outside. And then now we're gonna go up, finish up the, I guess, the head or the mouth. Bracket all the way up, and the tip is a little bit pointier, so I'm going to straighten it out and then just round it out, close it off. Alright, and then now for the teeth inside. So these are all going to be smaller, and you don't have to draw exactly like this as long as you have some of these little sharp angles for the teeth right here. I'm just going to go all the way around and just have the smaller ones on the corner. And then on the bottom as well. So these are gonna be slightly bigger, and then on the corner here, a little bit smaller. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the head, or the mouth, and then now we're gonna come down for the body, and he's got a really big jacket here. So we're gonna come right around here, just draw two little lines. That's gonna be the shoulder, and then now we're gonna pinch it down. This is gonna be the waist area, and then we'll flare it back out to finish up the jacket on the bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna come in. Just come in, leave a little space, and then just finish it off with a little angle going up right in the middle. Alright, so now let's finish up the arms, and then we'll add in the details to the jacket. So here's the armpit. We'll make two little lines. Going back up to the shoulder, come down. So this would be the bicep, slant down, and this one's gonna be pretty straight as well. And then for the lower arm, I'll flare out right around here, and then come back in, close it off, and then just add one little rectangle here. So this is gonna be his wrist. And then for his fists, just come down with a little hook. That's gonna be his thumb. Here's the back of the fist. And then we'll draw a little angle right here. Come down and then just kind of tuck it right behind the thumb. Okay, so same thing on this side here. Come down from the armpit. It's a little bit straighter. Now for the lower arm, flare out. Just use the other side for reference. Pinch it back in and then close it. One little rectangle. And then for his fist right here, same thing, just a little hook. Here's the back of the fist. And then same thing, one little angle, come down, tuck it right behind the thumb. Alright, and then let's just finish up the arm right here. It's got a little strap. And then it's got a little bottle right here. So I'm just gonna draw like a little really long U shape and add one little line inside. Okay, so now let's see, on the inside here, it's got one big strap. So I'm gonna start on the shoulder here. We'll just come all the way across and behind the tongue there. Let's curve all the way out. And then just go back up. Let's give it a nice little border right here. So that's gonna be a strap. And you might not see this line in here. Okay, so that's one big strap. And then on the shoulder here, it's got another strap. So just come right here, come all the way down. Just curve it out toward the armpit. Okay, and then for the design on his sweater here or his jacket, we'll just come in and then just follow this curve, this line, all the way up. Same thing here. Come across, let's go up. And then when you get to this point, just follow this slant. Just go back all the way up. Okay, so yeah, this part's a little bit tricky, and let's see. He's got a little frog in here. Let's draw that in last, because it's kind of strange and we might not see a lot of it anyways. So let's come down and draw his legs, and he's got really skinny legs. So right in the center here, draw one little line, come back to the center, add one little extra fold. And let's start on the inside. Just kind of slant out on both sides. And then now we'll draw the outside. So just come in here. It's got a really wide jacket here. So we'll come in, just kind of slant it in toward the knee right here. Okay, and then for the lower legs, we'll flare this out and then just close it off first. So his pants right here kind of flares out. Okay, and then his boots, really simple, just come in slightly. We'll pinch it in, close it with a slight curve. And then for his shoe, dome shape, and just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and let's just add one line there. Okay, so same thing here. Pinch it in, close it with a slight curve, and then we'll finish up with a dome shape, curve. Just come out a little bit more on this side. Alright, and then lastly, it's got some straps right here. So I'm just gonna add two straps. So that's one more on the bottom. And it's got those flask bottles again. So just come out, come down, and then just round it out. And one little strap inside. Okay, and if you want to draw in the little frog, we can do that too. Maybe just part of his face right here. So right behind the jacket right here, let's draw like a little circle. And then here's the eyeball. And then we're gonna see his mouth right here. Just come down and just hook it back in. And we can add one little line there for the mouth. And that is it for this big mouth skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.